Hey traders, in this video we will look on how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool and how you can use it for effective day trading. So let's get started. Fibonacci retracement tools are used by most of the traders that are trading using price action to know where the certain levels are to look out for, and also when to take profit or set their stop loss. So to use Fibonacci retracement tool, just go to the toolbar right around here, then right around here you have the Fib retracement. Click on it. Then how you use it is you must find a latest swing low. So as you can see, then we have the latest swing high, which is this, and extend it so you can see where you will look at for certain price points and certain price levels on where the price might react. So as you can see, when we have this one at this level, the price came down actually right around here, then react on this level, then again react on this level, and also uh, when the price broke out right around here, it retraced, hence the name retracement, right around this level, and retrace again for this level. And what we can expect from here is either it retrace from here, or bounce from here, or bounce from here. So when using Fibonacci retracement tool, you must only look for the latest swing low or the latest swing high. So we will look for another example. So let's say we have this one, so we will use Fib retracement again, swing high, then to the latest swing low, then extend. So as you can see, the price reacts right around here, right around here, right around here, here, and here. So Fibonacci is more of a art rather than science, because sometimes it will not touch those levels or just go near those levels before retracing. So this is how you use Fibonacci retracement tool and how to add it on your trading view chart, and I'll see you on the next video.